In a box we call the Richard Dana box, it's full of ephemera, is a shoebox containing the postcards from Emeralda. This is a postcard collection that I started in December of 1996, and it resulted from a reading of one of my books by Robert Grudin titled On Dialog. The book I bought by Robert Grudin started me on a series of 1 year's writing postcards from an imaginary place called Emeralda. A person can put themselves in an imaginary place like Emeralda and come away with new impressions, sort of like going on a serendipitous journey. And it worked.